This 6-piece screwdriver set from Gedore is durable and built to last. These 3C series German-made screwdrivers are meticulously designed for quality and comfort. They have chrome-plated vanadium plus steel shafts with hardened tips and black coatings that add grip, helping to prevent the screwdriver from slipping and stripping your screws. These screwdrivers are incredibly comfortable with ergonomically designed 3-component power grips and hanging holes. The slotted screwdrivers come in a 3, 4, 5.5 and 6.5mm, and the Phillips in sizes 1 and 2. They are clearly marked on the side of the handles for easy selection. Overall, a great quality screwdriver set that you would expect from Gedore. Now, this is just one of the screwdriver sets available at Builders. For more product reviews, visit the Builders website or check out the Builders Fan YouTube channel.